Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Falcon and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps, first we need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this mechanism you can pull basically. And how it works is quite simple. You just pull it and then you can pull out the strap like this, because how it works is when you pull on this mechanism right here, it releases the bar on the watch and you are able to basically pull out the strap. So let me demonstrate it on the other one. So basically you pull this, maybe like this so it's more visible. You pull on it, it releases the metal bar on the watch, and then you can push on the strap to take it out. So here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get new straps, or maybe you want to put them back on, the old ones, grab the strap, grab the watch, put the strap under this bar like this, and just push it at the angle and it will snap on. Like this. And now we have the straps on, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.